This is the automation zone. In today's tutorial, we'll learn what is a class variable or static variable in Python. We'll also learn where to use these static variables in our classes. A class or a static variable are variables which are assigned to a class, and these variables are shared by all of the objects of my class. So what does it mean? To understand this, let us look at a sample class here. Here I have a class of employee which has got your instance variables for the name and age. Instance variables are also called as your object variables, and they are unique to each object. Therefore, objects such as employee1 and employee2 have got unique names. Although name is the same variable, they will be unique to each object. To prove this, I've gone ahead and printed the name of both of my objects, and as you see in the console window, their names are unique. Object 1 has got the name Tom, and object 2 has got the name Jack. In the below example, attributes such as name and age are specific to each employee or to each objects of my class employee. Therefore, it makes sense that you assign it to your object variable, also called as your instance variable, to make it unique. But what about those attributes which are not unique at all to each and every employee? Example, we have got a company's name. The company's name will remain same for all of your employees. What about that? Would it not make sense that you create a variable which is shared by all of your objects? In this case, if you have attributes which needs to be shared or which are common among all of your objects, if you have attributes which are specific to the class rather than the objects of your class, I prefer that you create class variables, also called as static variables. To create a class variable, simply create a variable inside of your class but outside of the methods of your class, and do not use the self keyword. So inside of a class, I'm going to create a class variable called company, and let me assign this variable to my company. Now this class variable is specific or is assigned to my class. This is not assigned to the objects of my class. However, my objects definitely can access this variable called company. In this way, I've assigned only one variable, but this variable is shared by all of the objects which are created and will be created using my class employee. Let me now test my code. I'll try to access the class variable by using my objects, and if you see the output, it works. I can also access the same variable by using the class itself, so class.company, and you would see that works as well. Now note that using the class, I can access the class variables, but the same thing would not be possible for my instance variables. It is not going to work. Okay, so therefore a class can access the class variables but not the instance variables. Using objects, I can access both the instance variables as well as my class variables. Now, is it possible for me to change the class variable by using the object? Let me test that. So employee1.company, and let me change the value to my new company. And if I go ahead and print the exact same thing, what is going to be the output? As you see here, it is possible for me to change. But is this change reflected for all of my objects? Let me go ahead and print this same thing for employee2.company. As you see, the output remains the same. Therefore, this particular change is reflected only for that specific object and not for all the other objects. So what is happening behind the scenes of Python? Now in this case, if you're trying to access variables or methods by using objects, Python will first see if that particular variable is present inside of your object. If Python does not find it, it will then go and find if the same variable is present inside of your class. Now in our case, employee2 does not have an instance variable called company. Therefore, it went ahead and accessed the class variable company, which is my company. Let me run this. And the output was my company. But in our case, since we have already created an instance variable inside of the object itself, Python does not go ahead to the class variable. So in the case of employee1, I've already said employee1.company is equal to my new company. Therefore, this particular variable is present inside of the object, and therefore when I do object.variable, Python finds the variable inside of the object and does not go ahead and check for my class variable. So note that you can change the variable, but that is going to be specific to that particular object itself. It is not going to be reflected for all of the other objects. In other words, you are simply creating a new variable inside of your object. So what do I mean by creating a new variable inside of my object? To understand this, we'll use a new method called dictionary. Dictionary will return for us all the variables and all the methods for that specific object. So I'll go ahead and print employee1.dictionary and employee1.dictionary again, but after I've created the instance variable. So let's see what happens or what variables are changed when I create an instance variable. So when I run this, you'll see that before creating an instance variable, my object just had two variables, which is name and age. And after I created this variable inside of my object, the object got a new variable called company. So that's what I mean, that although all the objects can access the employee variable company, it does not have the variable inside of it. And when I create something like this, or when I assign it manually, I'm basically creating a variable inside of my object itself. That is it for this tutorial on class variables. If you have any questions or doubts, do comment below. I will help you out. If you like this series on Python, do show your support by liking and sharing this video and subscribing to my channel. Thank you all for watching.